Choosing the right Flux Core welder can be challenging. Some machines lack stable arc performance, while others are too bulky or difficult for beginners to use. A reliable Flux Core welder should offer smooth welding, portable design, and dependable results without requiring shielding gas. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best Flux Core welders of 2026. We researched product specifications and real user feedback to build this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool and equipment reviews. Number 5. RDDSPON 2-in-1 MMA MIG Welder 350A. The RDDSPON 2-in-1 MMA MIG Welder is an affordable option for DIY users and home workshops. It supports both MMA and gasless MIG welding using flux core wire, eliminating the need for external shielding gas. Its compact inverter design makes it easy to transport while delivering stable arc performance for mild steel fabrication and repairs. Simple controls help beginners get started quickly, while the powerful output is suitable for a wide range of welding projects around the garage or job site. Number 4. Boruix 220-volt semi-automatic MIG Welder. The Boruix semi-automatic MIG welder is designed for users who want dependable gasless welding in a compact package. Supporting flux core wire with inverter technology, it delivers smooth arc starts and consistent weld quality on various steel thicknesses. Its lightweight construction makes it convenient to carry between job locations, while intuitive controls simplify operation for beginners and experienced welders alike. It's an excellent choice for automotive repairs, home maintenance, and general metal fabrication projects. Number 3. HZXVOGEN MIG 250DP 5-in-1 welding machine, built for versatility. It supports gas MIG, flux core MIG, stick welding, lift TIG, pulse MIG, and aluminum welding with synergistic controls for easier setup. Advanced digital adjustments provide precise arc performance and cleaner welds across multiple materials. Whether you're working in a fabrication shop or tackling demanding industrial projects, this powerful machine delivers flexibility, excellent performance, and reliable welding quality in one package. Number 2. HITBOX HBM 1200 3-in-1 Gasless MIG Welder. The HITBOX HBM 1200 combines gasless MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding into one portable machine. Supplied with flux core wire, it's ready to start welding right out of the box without requiring shielding gas. Its digital inverter technology provides stable current output, helping create cleaner welds with less spatter. Compact, lightweight, and easy to operate, it's ideal for beginners, hobbyists, repair work, and home fabrication, while still offering enough power for more demanding welding tasks. Number 1. SEESII 135A 3-in-1 Flux Core Welder. The SEESII 135A earns the top spot thanks to its outstanding balance of portability, ease of use, and dependable performance. This lightweight 3-in-1 machine supports gasless flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, while featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology for stable arc control. Its digital display makes adjustments simple, and the compact 7.7-pound design is easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're repairing equipment, building projects, or learning to weld, this versatile welder delivers impressive results at an excellent value. A quality flux core welder makes metal fabrication easier, cleaner, and more convenient without the need for shielding gas. These 5 models offer reliable performance for beginners and professionals alike. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.